So we've recently had some people reach out and ask us to do the market updates on the greater Phoenix area. We just did one on Scottsdale. The one thing I'm going to tell you about the market as of January of this year, it's definitely a different market than we've seen in the last couple years. I think this inflation is really getting the best of people. We don't have the big influx of the California buyers, at least not in the general Phoenix area. Some of the people that are coming in, we have these people buying these luxury mansions. That's probably the biggest part of our market right now. But in general, we're not getting a lot of people just coming in and making cash offers on properties in the greater Phoenix area. The other thing that we're having right now is we're getting a lot of people still looking at our listings, but we're not getting offers on them. There's a lot of buyers holding back. But as an example, my clients have been overpricing their homes. A lot of people have in the market, and what we're seeing is some big price reductions. Now, when people go to list their homes, they don't realize the fact that they're overpricing their homes, and that's not the real value of their home. The buyers, they set the price for the homes, the market itself. So when my clients end up finally getting an offer on their home and getting it closed, they think they did this huge price reduction when really they don't listen to what I tell them or my recommended price on listing it, and we go up much higher, and ultimately we come down to what the market believes the home is worth. Let's dig into the information. Comment down below. If you want us to do a custom report for your home or your neighborhood, just let us know. Our contact information is down below. So the first thing we always like to look at is how many listings are out there, how many are pending, and how many have sold in the last 30 days. We currently have 1,690 listings. Now, we just did a video on Scottsdale, and the interesting thing is 2 years ago or a year ago, you couldn't find a home under 650, 700,000 in Scottsdale. Now we're down in the 500 range again. But now in Phoenix, the homes that are nice, move-in ready homes for a single family, people can move in and they don't have to do a ton of work. Those homes are still selling really quickly. Now these lower priced homes down in the 180,000 range, these are homes down in Phoenix. You're basically just buying a lot and that's all you're getting. And some of the areas are not the most popular areas to live in. I can show you the picture here of the lot. So those are going to be for builders that are going to go out and build some homes. A lot of these were bought up by investors. This isn't the general Phoenix market, but you're getting a 7,000 square foot lot. Most of them are in downtown Phoenix, and it's just under 200,000. Now on the higher end, we go into the Phoenix market. You're never going to see homes, or you rarely see homes in the Phoenix market as high as Paradise Valley or Scottsdale. Right now, the most expensive home in Phoenix is at $10 million. This particular home is a 9-bed, 9.5 bath. It was built in 1971. So you can see this home. It's beautiful. The backyard probably has some amazing views of Camelback Mountain, and that's what you're paying for. Now, the one thing that you're going to get in some of these older homes, this is probably a 10-foot ceiling or something like that. You can tell from the doorway over here. But in the newer homes, you're going to have much higher ceilings. This home's been remodeled. You can tell that by the price and by the photos. You can see you can walk out here from this living area and you got Camelback Mountain out in your back. Views are going to be amazing in this home. Now, the one thing that's going to hurt this home on the market is just the fact that you can go and buy a brand new home in Paradise Valley, not far from there, for around $7 to $8 million. And, again, the views are give or take, but this does have amazing views, so this lot is a premium for sure. There's your primary bedroom. Nice office, entertainment room. And again, this is what you're paying for with this property. In my opinion, this is overpriced, probably by a couple $1 million, but This is what you get, and it's in Phoenix, so it's in a great location. It's close to everything. I'd be curious to see what this new home they're building over there next door is going to be running. You got your pool. I've been in this home actually on the luxury home tour. So this is definitely a beautiful house. It's got a lot of things going for it, but it's definitely not selling. Let's see how many days it's been on the market. Yeah, it's been on the market 160 some days. But that's what you get in Phoenix for, I would say between 7 and $10 million. Now, the next thing we're looking at is what's under contract. Remember here we had 1,690 homes for sale. Let's see what the absorption rate is. We have 1,037 homes that are currently under contract. On the high side, there's one at 8.2 million, and on the low side, we're going to have some of those less expensive lots. Let's see what we got. 80,000. Again, this is going to be a little, see, it was a 200 square foot unit. You're buying a lot down in Phoenix, and you'd see all these inexpensive lots are going under contract, and people are going to tear them down and build new homes on those. You might even have a builder come in and try to start buying out a whole neighborhood to build homes. Some of those homes may qualify for government programs too. So let's go in here now. So now let's see what's sold in the last 30 days. We had 674 homes sell. So if we have 1,600 homes on the market and we're absorbing 670 homes, again, you can see this is much less because these were homes that sold right after the holidays. We have double that amount pending right now, and that's a common trend. November and December are the slowest months of the year. January through the end of April are the busiest months of the year. Let's go ahead and take a look here, the Cromford report, and see what the price per square foot is doing. You can see we peaked out right here in May of 2022 at $317 a square foot. We dropped back down to $273 a square foot, and we're slowly trending back to 317. So between May of 2022 and right now, we're actually back to even. So the market, the people that bought back here were losing money. Some of them were probably unhappy, but the market has come back and we're in more of a balanced market now than we have been. So right now the market is seeing these high interest rates. We're back up over 7%. It's hurting a lot of the people that need to qualify for a mortgage. We are seeing 50% of all loans right now, depending on the price range, of course, but 50% of all transactions, the buyers are getting assistance to buy the homes from the sellers. What does that mean? That means the people are willing to give either a price reduction, credit so that they can buy down the mortgage rate. And that's one thing with this pricing is the fact that it shows $317 per square foot, but if the people are giving $20,000 back to the buyers, that rate probably drops down per square foot by $5 to $10 per square foot. So that's what you don't see when you go onto Zillow and all these sites. You don't see what the real sales price is on the homes because the sellers are having to help the buyers buy their homes right now. Thanks for tuning in today. Have a great day. Watch some of our other videos. Thanks.